Firefighters from the Kansas City Fire Department rescued a woman who was clinging to a tree after a flash flood swept through part of the city on Monday. According to local news reports, the rescue took place at approximately 12:50 p.m. near West 101st Terrace, just north of Indian Creek and the Indian Creek Trail. The surging floodwaters stranded the woman in a tree amid the strong current. Firefighters launched a raft and successfully pulled her to safety. The National Weather Service in Pleasant Hill issued a flash flood warning for several areas in the Kansas City metropolitan region. Water levels in Indian Creek and surrounding rivers were reported to be nearing flood stage, with widespread flooding expected in some areas.